bunnies, how are y'all doing? It is Becca here, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm bringing you a sort of old school video. This is a what's on my iPhone. I have watched so many of these videos over the years and people love them. People always search for them. I feel like so many of my apps have been influenced by videos I've seen. Yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys what is on my phone and I hope you enjoy. If you want to see more videos from me, more lifestyle videos, comment below any requests. I love a bit of feedback. If you're new here, then please hit that subscribe button. I make videos every single week. I will stop talking and crack on with this video. So, yes, I have the iPhone XR, XR, whatever you want to call it. I recently upgraded. So before I was on the iPhone 7 for like almost 3 years, which was a perfectly nice phone, but this is definitely a very nice upgrade. I'm with O2, if you care. This is my phone. I've just got the all black one. And then the case I've got is just a clear case. This was just from Amazon. I'll try to link it below for you. And then I've also got this little like Polaroid picture thing. I got this in Japan, in Tokyo, when I was there with my friends almost 2 years ago now. So anyway, that is just a bit of background on my phone. And now I am gonna start the screen recording. I'll just pop it here. Cool, so this is my lock screen. It's just this cute little photo with me and my boyfriend. Doesn't he have pretty eyes? Anyway, we'll crack on with what's inside my phone. So, my home screen is just a picture of Pinterest. I'm very basic like that, not gonna lie. Notification panel, as you can see, I'm definitely still trying to get used to this phone. I recently just edited it to sort of fit my preference. So I've got like the screen recording thing there, voice memo there. Oh, I clearly do not use it. And then the QR scanning code. Hi! Okay, so starting off with my first app here, I've just got calendar. I'm not gonna lie, I rarely use this. I literally just use it to see what the date is. Photos, pretty self-explanatory. I won't go into that just in case there's anything embarrassing. Camera, again, hi. Hi. I have my clock app. This is handy for telling the time. But also, I'm gonna share a little bit of advice that I recently discovered. The alarms that you find in the bedtime section here are actually so much nicer than the ones on your like normal alarm. So these ones, you get like all these harsh sounds, which I'm not gonna lie, I just hate waking up to. So in here, in the bedtime app, you can go into options, wake up sound, and are you ready? Isn't that so much nicer? It's because it starts off quieter, like really quiet, and then it builds up. So I think it like wakes you up a bit more naturally. That's why I like it. Anyway, stopwatch, timer. Next up we have Google Maps. Again, I never use this. I'm not even sure I can delete it. I can. Oh, I might do that one day. Yeah, I hardly ever use it. I don't know why. I find it really awkward and I just way prefer using Google Maps. Weather. As you can see, I live in Edinburgh. As you can also see on the screen, I have a lot of other places that I like to keep an eye on because weather here in Edinburgh is pretty great. Yeah, meanwhile in Colombia, it's 6 AM. That's 26 degrees. Anyway, then I've got my notes. I won't go into there because it's got like private stuff, but yeah, I use that a lot. Then in reminders, I use this quite a lot as well. I like to just have different types of lists. So I've got like general to do, things I want, which is not that essential. It's just if I need to buy something, message. And then I've got YouTube to do, which I've started really getting into. The news, which is important, just knowing what's, you know, up to date in the world. Apple TV, which I never use. Oh, App Store, I obviously use to get my apps, self-explanatory. Health, let's try. 500 steps. Oh. I got my wallet, which is so handy for Apple Pay. I love Apple Pay. And then we have settings here, which, you know, comes in handy. It's actually quite important. Music, Apple Music, never ever use. I use Spotify, we'll get into that. Google Calendar. So I got this recently, actually, because I have watched like 10 what's on my phone videos. Yeah, everyone said that they preferred using Google Calendar. As you can see, I've only just started using it. But so you can actually more visually see what you have coming up. Google Maps, which I like. Then on my bottom panel here, I have my phone. Won't go into that. Messages, obviously. Safari, which does the job. And then my emails. Okay, so we are gonna start with the exciting bit of my phone. So starting in my first folder, this is social. So we have Instagram, which I use a lot if you want to follow me. I do always post updates on my YouTube channel, so it's a good way to see when I've uploaded. We've got Messenger, which I use frequently just to contact people, contact my friends. I use Facebook, which is more for personal use. WhatsApp, again, to talk to people. Twitter, which is very much just for the purpose of sharing my YouTube channel. I got this like a month ago, no, October. Snapchat, which I don't use that much. Quite a few of my friends do, I think that's why I've hung on to it, but I don't use it, not gonna lie. I mean, cute filters, but yeah. I wouldn't even follow me on Snapchat, so why would I recommend that you do? FaceTime, which I used a lot when I was in a long distance relationship, but now we live together, so that worked out. I have Pinterest, which I think I have a business account. I don't really work on my bit of it at all. I just use it to look at pretty things. Ooh, see? That's nice. I have this app called Influencer. So this is an app I don't think many people know about, and I do really like it. I obviously do not have tons of followers at all, but if you are interested in sort of the influencer side of things, or, gonna be honest, if you just want free makeup, but you're willing to talk about it online and stuff, this app is really good. So you make an account, you can review stuff, and then eventually I think you'll be put forward for trials for when new products are coming out. So I've been sent stuff before. Okay, then next I've got travel. I have Railcard for the trains. I have Edinburgh Bus app, which is a saint if you live in Edinburgh. I'm a big advocate for Lothian buses. Uber, you know, you need it every now and then. And then Trainline, which is handy for booking train tickets. That's not a very exciting folder. Finance. I won't go into these because these are very personal, but we have Bank of Scotland, which I'm with, HSBC. I've got a Monzo account. Want to use it a bit more because they're really, really good. They're useful if you're trying to save money. I've also got my O2 account here just so I can track like how much data I've used and stuff. O2 Priority, which is really good, especially if you go to a lot of gigs. You can get in the priority line and stuff. And you also get lots of nice offers at restaurants. I have Klarna, which just helps me with my shopping problem because I'm broke, and so sometimes it's just nice to space out the expense. Don't know if I recommend that, but there we go. Okay, this is a bit more of an exciting folder, I think. Photo. Since I've started YouTube, I've been getting a lot more into photography and videography, obviously, and I do have quite a few apps here. So starting off with Facetune. Yeah, so I don't really use this to like edit myself. Yeah, it just has a really nice white effect to help you like whiten the background and stuff, you know. But yeah, I never really edit myself. Okay. Anyway, kidding. Here we have Visco. I have Visco Pro with, is it called Visco Pro? I have the version that you pay for. I mean, I think it's like £20 a year. It's not crazy expensive, but it's a bit annoying. I got it because it means you can put filters on videos, and so I like doing that to my YouTube videos. Yeah, love that for editing. I also use it on thumbnails, etc. I have the Canon app, which is useful for my camera because I have a Canon camera. So that helps me connect photos onto my phone or videos really quickly. I have Eraser, which is really handy for making like PNG transparent photos. Fonto, which is one of my favorite apps. I love this for making YouTube stuff, be it text on a screen or my thumbnail. What is this? Clips. Okay, never use that. This app I recently got called Unfold. It's just really nice if you want to put together like cute Instagram stories or collages. I really like it. I use these a lot if I am putting together sort of a story to promote my most recent upload. It's just something that makes them a bit more interesting. Collage I never use because I got Unfold. Font is really cool. This is good if you want to upload a video and put text on it, then I definitely recommend this. So that's really handy for if you're a YouTuber or a content creator. Then on this side I have iMovie. I never edit on my phone. I might one day, but I always do it on my laptop. I think it's just a bit easier. Hiju thingy, which is very cool. It's this sort of, it's like recreating the appearance of one of these like disposable cameras, so it makes it look all vintagey. Take a pic and then it says processing on it. So Canva and PixArt are really just to help me with editing thumbnails and YouTube stuff, but I've not really gotten into them yet. I think it's just to provide stuff that Fonto can't do. Next up we have Shop. This isn't that exciting. This honestly just is part of my unhealthy addiction. But you know what? One of my main goals this year was just to be way better with money, and I'm doing really well. So in the Shop app I have ASOS, which I love, Depop, which I kind of just use to buy stuff on. I don't really sell stuff. Groupon! Oh! So good. If you're like me and you love a cheeky little coupon, just goes on and on. There's stuff in Edinburgh. There's stuff for restaurants, for cinema, for cruises, holidays even. So good. Love a bit of Groupon. Zara, just love Zara. Uni days. Am I still a student? Sometimes. Wetherspoons. Just Eat if I'm feeling lazy. However, I've been really good lately. Not really using it. Hermes for delivery. Hollister. H&M. And then this hair place. You know when you get those random urges to go blonde? Yeah. Anyway. My video app. This is just entertainment. I've got Netflix. Yeah. Love. YouTube. Woo! Which I obviously spent way too much time on. Got my account. Like I said, give me subscribe. I've got Prime Video, which like I don't love, but every now and then I'll want to watch a movie or something that is on no other platform. Okay, I'm back, sorry, I had to pee. So where were we? STV player, I hardly ever use unless there's a particular program I want to watch and I missed it on TV. Then we have, again, a more exciting folder, work! Starting off with YouTube Studio. So if you're a YouTuber, then I highly recommend getting this app. It's super easy to track your subscribers, how your videos are doing. Let's ignore those cute little red arrows there. But yeah, it's a good way to just sort of keep an eye on everything. I'm obviously a very small YouTuber, so my statistics here are not crazy impressive, but I am really getting into it. Then I have this app called iTutor Group. This is because I was looking into teaching English online, so if this is something that interests you, I definitely recommend it. They pay a really good rate for you to work from home, and you just teach children, I think mainly based in Asia, how to speak English. There's like a mini interview, which I did. It wasn't too bad, I passed, but I haven't done any work for them just because, yeah, I found work elsewhere. But I don't know, it's good to know that if I need more work, that's there. Real People, so this is one of my agencies that I'm with for extra background acting work, so that's a really helpful app if I just want quick updates. Mad Dog's another agency I'm with. Yeah. And then Encore is an amazing app if you are a musician and you are looking for work, be it like playing in a bar, restaurant, or if you want to do more like function, event work, like weddings, birthday parties and stuff. You basically just get informed about all these jobs that are going, and you can also receive direct inquiries from people who are interested in maybe booking you. LinkedIn, which I hardly ever use because I'll figure out what I am maybe this year, but yeah, Chronos is just something I use for work, so I won't go into that. It's just like our scheduling thing. FameBit is an app. I think it's a way of contacting brands who want to work with influencers and YouTubers and stuff. So that's good if you have a certain criteria, but I think you have to have like 5,000 subscribers. So when I downloaded it, I didn't know that. Yeah, I guess I haven't deleted it, so I can just sort of have it there as motivation. I have YouTube Tracker, but this is just an easy way of tracking your live sub count and like your watch hours. So this is where I'm at in terms of how far away I am from being monetized. I hope this is interesting for other small YouTubers who are watching this, in case maybe you don't have some of these apps, in which case I highly recommend them. Then on this side, this is my work email. Lol, I clearly check that a lot. And then, yeah, my work social media platform. Yeah, I won't go into those. Ooh, my music folder. So I have Spotify. I have a really randomly disgusting taste in music. It's all over the shop. And I share it with my sister as well, so it's like a big mess of my taste and her taste. So I don't recommend that you follow me because it's just so random. But I have been getting into podcasts lately, and I do really like this one, Table Manners, Jessie Ware. So funny, so cute. She does it with her mum. I absolutely love it. Music Memos. I love this app. If you're a musician or a songwriter, this is just so handy. I mean, it's pretty darn similar to Voice Memo, but okay. That was fucking shocking. Anyway, point is, you can record ideas, songs, guitar bits and bobs, whatever, and it's just nice because it will detect sort of the key you're in, chords and stuff, and you can save it. I have Guitar Tuner, which I just use to tune my guitar when I need to. And then GarageBand, which very much like iMovie, I don't really use on my phone. I use it tons on my laptop. We're basically done because I'm not gonna lie, this is where I just put all the extras. Utilities. The only thing that's quite handy in here is Google Translate. I mean, they all have their purposes, but that's the only one I'll like go to. Is that everything? We done? Right. Well, that felt like I've been speaking for frickin' ages. That's everything I have on my iPhone. Let me know what your favorite app was. But yeah, that's me for now. I upload videos every single week, Wednesday, Friday, Sunday right now. So I will see you guys again very, very shortly. But thanks for your time.